Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can modify the width and the height on your Microsoft Word table. So if you come over to your Word table and you look for this little icon here, it'll be in between your cells here. If you see this icon here, that means that you're actually able to start modifying the height of this row. So you can see as I drag it up or down, holding left click, I can either make it bigger or smaller. Another way to do this is if I go ahead and select this entire row, and then I come over here to Table Layout on my ribbon, I can go ahead and modify the height right here as well. So I can change it here, or I can use it during the manual method that I showed you, where you just look for that little icon. And the same applies to the width. So if I go ahead and drag the width over, I can go ahead and adjust the width for this column. The issue with that, or the consequence of that, is you see that it starts to shrink location, because location has less room. So you're not only having to modify name, you're probably going to have to go in and modify the location width and then the following columns as well. Another way that you can do this is if we go ahead and select this entire column here and then come back over here to Table Layout, I can go ahead and modify the width this way as well. And then same thing, you can just come over here and you could either do it just going up or down, incrementing up or down, or you could just look for that icon and then just kind of adjust the width that way as well. And that is a quick tutorial how you can actually modify the height and the width on your Microsoft Word table.